the weekend. I just booked our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. We should ride a bike round Amsterdam. Feel the breeze taking the sights. Hand in hand through the streets of Paris, girl. Having fun by candlelight. Maybe we could take the train to London. I've got some real good friends out there. Maybe we could check out Strasbourg and Barcelona. Our love can take us anywhere. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. That'll never change. That'll never change. Pack your bags for the weekend. I just booked our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, out there. Maybe we could check out Strasbourg and Barcelona. Our love can take us anywhere. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, name a place you wanna see. Yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go,
Can you hear me now?
always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza.
I always turn off my mic while I'm getting ready and I always forget to turn it back on. Okay, perfect. Hi, Tasia. I just got some really sad news about somebody that was in Colombia. It's somebody that I know. It was their friend, and they were in Colombia, and because of the earthquake, a wall fell on her mom and her as they were trying to escape, and her mom did not make it, and she is in critical condition. So that was the emotional moment you saw just a moment ago. So I was praying for Colombia and praying for, our trading and stuff. But what a perspective shift. Like, we are so blessed, and we're so blessed to be alive and well. And that is enough for me right now. Yesterday's trade did not play out. I lost $35. But it was okay. I can't even remember if I was on the stream when I took the trade. I have so much going on recently, guys. But anyways, let's go ahead and let's just look at what's happening right now. We are still very much in consolidation. Yeah, it's so sad. Like, I didn't know her obviously directly, but it's just like when you think about what these families are going through in Colombia, like, I can't even fathom. I cannot even fathom. My goodness. All right. Well, it just feels weird to move on and trade now, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So it's still in consolidation, but it does look like we are gaining some traction to the upside. So we'll see. 4 hour, yeah, it just all looks weak. That 1 hour high we marked up on Monday has still not been broken. That is such a significant level. And then this is another significant level right here we need to look at. Yeah, I mean, look at that. This would have been a great play. Not amazing, but like a great play. 1 hour supply. Wow, that would have been a great play. 15-point stop. But this is more like a reject off the supply zone, not supply and demand, not the supply and demand strategy that Cam teaches, because that one. Oh wait, no, that's the same strategy. Guys, I am like, seriously, I need my coffee. I don't know what I'm thinking right now. Yeah, that would have been a nice play on the 1 hour. Who knows? Maybe I need to start taking 1 hour entries. But anyways. All right, so we are approaching the 1 hour high and rejecting at it again. So, and previous day high was also that 1 hour high, so I'm not even gonna mark it up. Previous day low is all the way up here now. Delete this, delete that, and delete this. It's like, do I take a reject? Do I take a reject? Or do I think it's finally gonna break? you know? The risk to reward would not be bad. I mean, I'd be trading on a, I'm on the 30-minute right now. What am I thinking? Uptrend pre-market, but same thing as yesterday, uptrend pre-market, and then it just ranged. So we'll see what happens today. How was your trading, Tasia? I don't think I talked to you yesterday. Did you trade yesterday? You've been right here by my side, Lord, I'm just grateful for you. I wish we could play music on YouTube. You've been right here by my side. I'm gonna play it a little bit. I'm not looking for shorts. I'm gonna be looking for longs only. So, I mean, unless it breaks previous day low, then yeah, I would take longs, but I mean shorts, but I'm looking for longs above this supply zone. There's a big chance it could just reject again. Okay, there we go. Finally. Let's see what it does though. I'm not gonna jump in right away. Five minutes. Let's make it green. What would that stop be? 10-point stop, 50 bucks. I'm cool with it. I think today could be an uptrending day. So let's see if we get in. If we get a tap, I'm gonna get in aggressively on this one, and I'd be okay with the loss if it was a loss. So let's see. Should I full port? Just kidding. I'm not gonna full port. What do you do for work, Tasia? If you don't mind me asking, you don't have to share. I know I'm a stranger on the internet. Even though we've gotten to know each other a little more, you know? Let's see what, so NASDAQ hasn't broke yesterday's high yet. So it could reject there. First sip of coffee. The fact that I went through a whole networking meeting at 6:30 in the morning to 8:30 and I didn't have one sip of coffee, I am thriving. So this would be 1 hour. But I think we could go to that 1 hour. Hi. That would be my TP. So let's see. Oof. All right, I need to set an alert because I gotta do a little work. So I'm gonna set an alert that tells me when price comes back down to my level. Make sure I got my volume up. Levi was selected as a finalist for Baby of the Year. Well, I don't know about a finalist, but he got selected in the general drawing. I'm sure there's like hundreds of babies. So, vote for my boy. I will be sending the link. I will be spamming every single day to vote for my baby. Come on down, let us in. Bring us into the trade. All my life, you've been right here by my side, Lord. I'm just grateful for you. Sorry if that was loud. I'd be forgetting. Honestly, the copy paste feature, from the fact that you can copy things from your phone and then paste it on your computer or vice versa, that Apple feature is top tier. Top tier. Ooh.
Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. We should ride around Amsterdam. Feel the breeze taking the sights.
Come on, baby. Please let us take this train today. Please let us in. All my life, you've been right here by my side. Lord, I'm just grateful for you. Lord, I'm just grateful for you. No, please come down just a little more. Just a little more. Aww. I really wish it would have came down and grabbed me. That sucks. What's NASDAQ looking like? Oh, well, I like NASDAQ's little demand on here. I might take NASDAQ, I'm not gonna lie. I know I have, you know, one instrument, but if I see a, like, this is the same setup, it's just that the risk to reward is much better on this one. It's like a much small, well, let's see actually. Let's see. I am thinking about, like, I feel really good with my discipline right now. I know I'm not done with the 30 days, but I feel really good about it. especially how my mindset has like shifted recently. Like it's not my everything. Trading has not become everything. Like I just really had to stop idolizing it. And I feel really good. Like, I don't know. How big is this? So if we were to take it here, well, this one's gone now, unfortunately. But this would be a, okay, another 11, 12 point stop, I'd say. And then, so that would be $60 of a stop loss. And then if I took this one, oh, it'd be even higher. It'd be $140. So look at that, just the size of the zone doesn't mean that it's smaller risk because of the multiples on MNQ and MES. So that would be above my risk tolerance. I'm not gonna break two rules. I'm not gonna do above 100 and that. So MES is what we stick to. And I think I only have like $300 in this account now. Yeah, like 360. I'm trading with a $500 account if you're new here. And my goal is to take daily withdrawals for anything above 500, leaving 30% in there and withdrawing 70% of the profits every day, just to kind of give me some type of dopamine hit and satisfaction, because I gave away $25,000 of profit earlier in the month, earlier in the year. And I have decided that I need money. Like, who am I to grow my account to $10,000? No, like, I'm gonna use a small account, I'm gonna make what I can make, and I'm gonna take money, and then down the road, I'll focus on growing it. But right now, like, why am I gonna risk giving all that money back to the markets? Like, that's when I go on tilt, when I have too much money in my account and I get too confident, and then I full port, and then it just all ends up bad. So that's why I decided to do a $500 account. And then if it falls below the 500, oh, that looks crazy. If it falls below the 500, then I just have to keep trading until I meet that baseline again. Cool. That's lit. Okay. Let's see if we can get in. I need to figure out how I can like go through all my windows without making the screen black for you guys. But I also don't want to share my whole window, because then sometimes I'll put like client information up and I don't want it to obviously be shared by accident. Or just like my personal messages, you know. I'll be wilding sometimes. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby. It's looking like demand zone after demand zone. Might reject at this 1 hour high though. All right, come on. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I just feel like jamming to music, like really bad. This is torture. Record highs? No. How is that record high? It hasn't passed yesterday or the other days. It's about to. PPI data. I can't wait till I can start trading daily. Like that's the real goal, is not to be on these markets every single morning. It's to have enough capital to just take some trades. But that's obviously like way down the road. I do need to make some money right now. I like it. I will definitely enter if it comes back and lets me in, for sure. But it has to let me in. My dog is thirsty. Still thirsty, Papa? What I'm hoping for is that it rejects at all-time highs. We've created new all-time highs. And just comes back down to let us in, but we'll see. All right. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby. We're just waiting, guys. Has anybody gotten into a trade yet? Has anyone made the move? Is it gonna be another no trade day? Does anybody else like to highlight? I'm such an office nerd. Like, I love all office stuff. Like, my brother used to work at the Office Depot when I was little, when I was like 10 or 11. And he used to take me to work with him, and I loved it. Because I would just get like to play on computers and like have paper and like markers and all these different pens. And like, I'm a big like office supplies person. I don't know why, I just love it. I love having an organized, and mind you, I'm like literally working from my kitchen right now. I've done my entire office and made it like so nice. And I got all the gadgets and everything, and I just don't use it because it's so dark in there. But I love just like color coordinating. I love organization when it comes to like files and paperwork. I'm just a weird person. So we got that on Friday. There is nothing happening right now. All right, is this our moment? What a boring trading day. Come on, let me in. Ma'am, which concept, sorry, I didn't have my chat up. Which concept do you trade? Which concept do you trade? Do you trade by, no, I trade supply and demand. Hello, sir. Ali Asghar Ansari. I trade supply and demand. This is the demand zone right here that I'm waiting to be tapped. There's no entry for me right now for my plan. BRB. I have to go use the bathroom. Whoops. BRB. Take that off for y'all. All right. Forgot to turn my mic on. There we go. Much better. Whew. It's my nephew's birthday today. Happy birthday, Devon. Are you watching my stream? You better be. Just kidding. My son does not like to sleep during the day. He just fights his sleep so much and he's so tired. But he will just fight it. That's really the only thing he cries about is just when he's about to go to sleep. He does not want you to put him to sleep. My mom's dealing with it right now. I know, it's so stressful. Thank God for moms. I don't know what I would do without my mom and Chris's mom. Gosh, they're the best. Truthfully, the best. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's another demand zone that formed right here, but I don't like that. It's just like, I don't know. I mean, yeah, technically, but I wouldn't take it. But you can. I just won't. I don't like that. I just like, I mean, it's a minor break of structure on the way up, so maybe. Let's see, maybe I'll do break of the candle entry, which is like a more conservative entry. This is so good, this Purely Elizabeth. Not sponsored yet, but this granola is pretty fire, and I like to mix it. I'll like take a little handful, and then I mix it with these, and I'll just have like my own little almond granola. Okay. I like the wick. It'll be a $35 stop for all-time highs. Let's see. There's 1 minute and 57 seconds left on the candle. All right, I'm getting in. I like it. I'm just grateful for you. Oh God, I'm just grateful for you. Okay, all-time highs. Finally broke 1 hour supply area. Pretty, I'm taking a long pretty much at the top, but I don't know. It's a demand setup for an uptrending day. I don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna take it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but the trend is up, you know? It is what it is. It's a $35 loss, Maddie, like, or risk. That's okay. You can handle that. And it's according to my plan, so stop loss. I got in on a minor break of structure. Not a great demand, but worth the risk. because the potential for upside is, you know, insane. So if I can take a trade today, like a trade where I can risk $35, but have the potential to capitalize on the move that may happen now that we are at all-time highs. And last time, you know, when we go on a run, we go on a run. It broke an area of consolidation. Like it went up. This is like a really healthy move. It went up. Let's see, the daily. Look at that. Huge uptrend, consolidated. Uptrend again, broke all-time highs, consolidated, and now it's doing the same thing again. Hopefully. Breaking all-time highs, and hopefully what I'm trying to see is a move like this where it goes up and then consolidates. So let's see. All I can do is, you know, all I can do is what I can do. All I can do is what I can do. Guys, I am so tired. And I have so much work to do. I'm gonna attempt to trail this. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I take my screenshots for my TradeZilla. Trying to freaking find my thing. I always forget like where to put it. So I think I have to anchor it. And when I anchor it, it doesn't move. There we go. Oops. Put my rules there. Roll my rules up there. There we go. Much better. Much cleaner. This is 1R. If we stay in consolidation, no, I swear. It's 10:30 and I so want to just not be on the charts, to be honest. I need to like disconnect. I think I'm gonna log off soon. Just set stop loss TP and let it play out. As I don't got the time to be sitting here just watching a screen. Do what? There's no point, like I'm already in the trade. The only thing is that the only reason I want to watch it is because I want to trail my stop. So like if I get 1R, I would like to trail my stop up to secure that 1R. And then just keep pushing it up if, you know, if it's a trending day to maximize that profit. I mean, we've had a big move already. We've had a big move already for the day. So this could be the move. And maybe that's something that I failed to realize when I entered the trade, is that how many points has it moved already? You know, how can I figure that out? I think there's like a tool for it. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's 52 points. That's a lot. What is the average true range? Let's see. Let's see on this day what it was. 57 points. Damn. So I think I might have, but cool. Look, like I'm learning something new. Thank God for the lesson. I'm always learning a lesson. I'm always learning a lesson. This day was a 70-point day. Ooh, let's look at this one. Ooh, if I could catch this move today, wowza. 130 points, holy cow. That's wild. Small potatoes. Don't worry about the small potatoes. Let's focus on the big potatoes. That's a Spider-Man reference if you don't know. So that's a cool little thing that I'm gonna start to be a little more conscious of, is how much has the instrument already moved? How many points have we already moved? And is that normal for this instrument, or do we think that there's more room? I think there's more room to go, but I think it's gonna maybe wanna breathe a little bit before. What I'm praying for is a trending day like that day. Oof, that day was a great day. Honestly, and these are the types of trades that I want to take. So I am even more confident about, like, I'm not taking consolidation trades. So the past couple days when I didn't take trades, that was so right. Like Monday, Tuesday, honestly, I shouldn't have taken any trades today. I mean, this week. Yesterday, I wasn't going to take a trade and I ended up kind of just forcing it because the RR was really good. So that's fine. But still, like, it was in a range and I knew that. So my goal now that I'm realizing is that I'm just going to wait for real A+ setups, you know? and on a day that it's actually trending, because supply and demand works way better in trending markets. So I have to let the market conditions, I have to, I don't know what I'm saying, but that's what constitutes an A+ setup for me. So now I'm realizing that, and I'm so grateful. I love it. But this day, look at this day. This was the day it ran like 100 points, I think. No, I think this day was only like 70 points. Oh yeah, this is 125 points. So look what it did. Up, little demand zone, up, little demand zone, up, little demand zone, up, 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 up. And that's after it broke a really significant 1 hour high, which is the same thing that's happening now. So to me, this is an A+ setup. We've already hit 1R. And I would take this trade over and over again, whether it's a win or a lost. A win or a loss. I could totally move my stop up to like here, but the fact that it's only a $35 risk, I'm okay with like if it turns out to be a loss, I'm okay with the $35. I'd rather give it wiggle room to play in this area versus just, you know, minimize my loss, because my loss isn't that big. Like $35, I can afford that. If it was $3,000 and my zone was too big, then I would move my stop up. But right now I can afford that. So why not let the trade play out, you know, especially on a day like this, to what I think is gonna actually happen. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna just move my stop to below the zone. And that's all we can do. I think it's like a $40 loss though. With the risk, I think it's 40 bucks. Yeah, it's like 45, like that. It's how many points? 8.25. I do think I'm gonna log off though, because I am bored and I actually have a lot of work to do. So I'm starting to get a little bit of anxiety because I have to do work and I'm just sitting here. So I'm gonna log off. Gosh, thank you guys for watching. I hope that this is a win. I hope it's a great win, but we'll see. I will review it tomorrow when I come back on live, and we will see whether it was a win or if I got stopped out. And we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I'm so grateful for your support. Come back tomorrow. Bye.